Hey guys, it's Chad Schottke at Flow-Rite Controls. Today we're going to be talking about some of our pre-assembled hoses. Flow-Rite offers and highly recommends our pre-assembled hose assemblies, available in 3/4 inch, 1/8", and 1.5". We have developed these machines in our facility to accurately measure and cut any quantity of hose with precise consistency. The hoses are then assembled with the requested Qwik-Lok sockets at either end and secured with stainless steel odor clamps that are pneumatically crimped for a consistent seal. These are then pressure tested and have the hose laser etched with the option of adding an additional letter to the assembly to help identify its installation location.
Here we have our hose assemblies. This is our 2-finger hose assembly and our 4-finger hose assembly. Both allow easy installation, come pre-crimped with our stainless crimps, have our hose etched length, as well as our identifier.
If you'd like any additional information on our hose assemblies, feel free to reach out to Tim Pitcher or myself, and we'll be happy to help you.